Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you what is the concept of key. So first of all we have to know about what is the key. So in RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, key play an important role in your DBMS, and for this we have to identify any row and column in our database system. So first we are going to start the types of key in DBMS, that is primary key, composite key, foreign key and candidate key. So first we are going to start what is the primary key. Primary key is a type of key that always set on a unique record. It has basically three rules. Second rule, a record cannot be blank either the null. It means in which column we want to set the primary key, it having a column name as well as it having some information in it. And third one is there, the data of primary key cannot be modified, either it restrict to store the duplicate data. So these are the basic three rules that we have to learn under the primary key. Next is the composite key. Composite, it means combining the column, more than two columns. If you can see within a table, you have a number of unique record, then what we have to do? Suppose here ID we have to take in as primary key. Then next any key is left, that is also play the important role, that we consider as this candidate key. Candidate key are the key that having a unique record in a table, and after selecting the primary key, if any record is left that is uniquely identified in your table, then it is known as the candidate key. Now composite key, it means combining the column and then we can make it unique. Suppose that a mobile number can be similar for the similar type of person, like siblings, brother and sister is there, maybe their mobile number is same. Then how we can use this composite key? If you have combined this ID and mobile number, then we can make the composite key in your table. And next and most important after the primary key, that is the foreign key. Foreign, you can correlate with the foreigner. It means that is not the person in your country, that come from another city, that is known as foreigner, another country. So foreign key is a term in which we can take the data from the another table. Suppose here this is our customer table, and suppose if we have any employee table here, and if you want to move some record from employee table to customer table, then how it is possible? It can be possible through the foreign key. But there is the one condition. How we can correlate these key? It having a rule also that if any column we have to take in from the primary key, that is compulsory to have unique record in that previous table. If you call it the master table, then it means that in another word you can say that it should be primary key from this table. That's why it can be uniquely identify the table, and then this column if we are shifted to the next table, then how it is possible? It is possible through the primary key. So this is the concept of key that we are going to use in our table, in our database when we doing some programming. Thank you so much.